Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Quizizz and specifically their new flashcard feature. So let's jump straight in. We go to create. We can then click flashcards and we've got various different ways we can create a flashcard. So we can paste in text, we can upload a document, or we can use topic and then use AI to help us to generate it. Or the fourth option is we can paste in a link to an article. So let's look through those. Let's start with the document upload. So I'm going to click upload from my device and then I'm going to look at my downloads and hopefully I can find the file I want, which is, I've got a flash meter. So I've uploaded a flash meter. I'm a photography teacher, so we're going to include that. I can then set the number, so I'm going to leave it automatic. And I can set which year group or topic that relates to. I'm going to leave that just as that. And year group, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. And then I can click generate flashcards. You can see it's generated those flashcards. So I can look through those. I'm happy with all of those. So I've got front and back. And then I've got the option if I want to edit those. So let's look at what the options I can do. So I could ask it to fix any grammatical errors. I could ask it to replace with a similar flashcard. Or I could ask it if I'm concerned it's used American spellings, I can localize for the UK. So that's a really useful feature. And then I've got the option to obviously translate it to the languages listed there. I could duplicate that flashcard if I wanted to make a derivative, or I could click edit. And then that allows me some other functions. So I could add some audio. I could add an image. I could add an image to that or an audio as well. So for the image upload, so if I just copy that text. And I can click on image. I can then click search and I can paste that in and hopefully it'll bring up something appropriate. So that's the infocone there. So I can choose one that I'm happy with. So let's go with this one here. I can crop that if I wanted to. So if I just want the flash meter, the light meter with the infocone, and click save. So that's added that. So yeah, you can see we can then save that and we've got those flashcards ready to go. And we could add some additional images to the rest, but we're not going to do that now. I'm happy with that as it is. If I want to preview it, I can click preview and I can see both sides of the flashcard using the flip feature. I can flip those backwards and forwards. So the image is a really nice addition. So I'd try and encourage you to use images if you can. And then I can navigate to the subsequent flashcards just by clicking on the arrows at the bottom of the screen. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to close that and I'm going to click publish. So that's uploading a document. So that's one way we can do it. And I could go in to edit that further. And I've also got the options to assign that as homework. So if you're interested in how you do that, then click on the banner in the top right hand corner and I can go watch my video on how to assign for homework. And I've also got the option to play live. So I could play that with a class in front of me. So that's one we've done using the upload feature. So we just go back again to create, and this time we're going to flashcards, but this time we're going to use the AI feature. So I'm going to click topic and we're going to type in I'm going to go automatic and we'll leave that there and click continue. So it's giving a variety of different options. So quick quizzes, exit tickets, concept mapping, and flashcard games. And click generate. And you can see it's doing that for me. And just as we did before, we can continue to edit it and we can make additional changes as we see fit. So really useful new addition. I think when it comes to flashcards, there's lots of ways you can use them. You can use them as a sort of formative assessment check-in lesson, very similar to how you'd use a Quizizz, but you could also use them for revision. Students can access them as part of homework. So really useful tool. And a great way to create them. So a great new addition to Quizizz. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.